I'm getting ready to make deer meat pie. You might want to stick around for this. This is a pretty good recipe. Well, good evening. Welcome to my cabin. My name is Tom. I'm getting ready to make deer meat pie. You might want to stick around for this. This is a pretty good recipe. Real easy to do here at the cabin. Couple basic ingredients and away you go, and you can make yourself quite the pie. What I have here is I got my Dutch oven, one of them, that I'm going to just get the pie filler ready. And then I've got a 9-inch pie plate. We're going to put a pie crust in the bottom. We're going to fill it full of our deer meat pie filler, and then we're going to bake it in a Coleman camp oven for about 25 minutes. So pretty simple. So come along for this deer meat pie here at the cabin. Getting better. There's enough pie filling in here to make 2 pies. This is cornstarch. Cook that in there until she thickens up. That'll thicken up, make a really nice thick gravy. See how it's already thickening? And when it's thick, so you can scoop it all up with a spoon. Then you put it in the pie pan. Well, I guess I'm going to have to bring you back for a pie crust sometime, because I just realized that during the whole pie crust, the camera was not recording. So anyways, pie crust is on. I'm going to stick it in the camp oven right now for 25 minutes. I drilled a hole in the center of it with a 12 gauge shotgun shell that I cut off, put a little breather hole in, and that's so that the pie can vent while it's cooking off. Here's my deer camp pie. I picked up the scraps that was left over and just threw them around the edge. That camp oven, the pie crust took forever. Maybe it's because it's cooked with butter this time too. But boy, doesn't it smell good. It's got all kinds of butter in it. That look good? I don't think that's nearly enough. And these are exactly what I put in last night. Nothing more, nothing less. I put in 3 carrots. I put in 1 onion. And I got 2 potatoes out here right now, but I put in 1 large potato last night. And that's it. And at that point, for seasoning, one of the things that I do, and I use this stuff for a lot. Now, at this point, you can have everything in there cooking, throw in this package, and now you could call it deer soup if you wanted to stop there. And it makes a great deer soup. Same thing. This is just Lipton onion soup mix. I like it because it's full of great spices, and it does help give the, if you noticed in that short video last night, that it had a really nice deep dark color to it. And I believe it comes from this Lipton onion soup mix. And then I put in a half a teaspoon, actually it was probably closer to a teaspoon of salt. And the same thing here, a teaspoon of black pepper, always, always, always. And then I put in about 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And that's it. That's all that goes in that pot at that point. That looks really good. Well, this is it. I'm going to go have my supper. I'm going to have some coffee. And doesn't that look good? maybe. Really good. Like I said, sorry about the pie crust. I thought the camera was taping. Turns out it wasn't. But hey, I'll see you in the next video.